It is the premier culinary tour in Las Vegas. We're talking about lip-smacking foodie tours. And now Donald Contursi is taking it a step further with the finger-licking foodie tours. It's so good to see you.
It's great to see you. Thank you for having me on, Mercedes.
This is so great as Las Vegas is opening up and people are going out again. If you're going to go try some amazing restaurants in Las Vegas, this is really the way to do it. Tell us a little bit about the finger licking foodie tours.
So we actually developed a sister company. It's last year, and it's a great time for us to roll it out because it's at a different price point. It's a different experience, and it's perfect for what people are looking for right now. And that's individualized experiences where it's just themselves, their loved one, their friend, or their family, and they're not grouped in with maybe people that they're didn't come to Las Vegas with, or locals. We've already had quite an influx for locals.
Yeah, this is just such a great idea. And I love that you guys are doing this because it's self-guided and it truly is a VIP experience. Tell us a little bit about how it works.
So we understand that the restaurant capacities are limited and reservations are strongly recommended, especially at the hottest restaurants. So we wanted to fill the need to just walk right in like we always do, have your table ready. Shortly after you get seated, the signature dishes are served fresh. So it's a very elevated VIP self-guided experience. You could book any time of day, at lunch, dinner. We have every half hour, a minimum of 2 in your party. And you go to 3 of the top restaurants, and at each restaurant, they serve you their signature dishes, 3 signature dishes from each one. And then during the booking process, it will ask about allergies and dietary restrictions, if you're interested in the beverage package. If you're not and you'd like to purchase a drink at the restaurant, each venue will provide a 15% discount on both drinks and any additional menu items. I don't think you'll need them, but just in case.
Think about that. All of these meals and all these restaurants, and it's only $79. Is that right?
That's right. Yeah. It's, we understand at a time like this, budget might be important for people. We're looking to show people a fantastic time, give them an experience. And I know right now Las Vegas is a little bit more limited on what we can do as far as shows and such. So, as the entertainment capital of the world and always reinventing ourselves as Las Vegas, I wanted to come out with something not just a substitute, but something new and exciting, and that will give people that experience. And we've already booked it. They've absolutely loved it. They couldn't believe it was the first time that we've hosted the self-guided because all the restaurants were prepared, a warm welcome. But we've worked with our partners for a few years now. So it's really elevated and all handled like beautifully.
As someone who's done the lip smacking foodie tours before, I can attest to the fact that you are treated like a VIP. The second you are, they know who you are and you are treated so well. And so I'm really excited about the finger licking foodie tours, like you said, self-guided. And I went on to book my tour because I'm ready to do this. And I was like, oh my gosh, they have some that are sold out. So you got to get on it. Now tell people how to book their own safe, private, exclusive finger licking foodie tour.
Yes, so on the website, fingerlickingfoodietours.com, every half hour, if you do see it sold out, that means somebody has already booked that block. When you book, it'll ask about the allergies, dietary restrictions, if you're celebrating anything. Today we have a wedding anniversary for a party of 4 that's going out here shortly. With the email confirmation, you'll receive a link to a virtual guide. You just go right on your phone, you click the link, it provides you a map with your route, tidbits on each restaurant, the time that you're supposed to be, and it's plenty of time. You get about 40 minutes at each restaurant and some walking time along the way, a walk through downtown Container Park. And it's a really great way to support small businesses through Container Park. You're patronizing 3 top restaurants in our local community instead of just one. It's a win-win for everybody. And hopefully you go back to the restaurants after you've experienced them. I know that the restaurants provide a great experience so that you do return.
And we really want to put the focus on finger licking foodie tours just because you guys are a big supporter of this community. We want to support local, and what you guys do is so great. And this is so much fun. So we can't wait. Again, It's fingerlickingfoodietours.com. Book your tour. I'm literally booking mine right now. 2.5-hour experience, available daily, signature dishes, and again, the whole VIP thing. I really like being treated like that. Thank you guys for making that happen.
Oh yeah, and it's great, you know, if you're celebrating birthdays or anniversaries, or if you even have friends or family visiting and you're looking for something fun to do. But we've seen quite a few date nights. It's the perfect thing.
And it's so great now that Las Vegas is in this new phase of opening up again. So much to do. So thank you so much. I'm getting on there right now. I'll see you then.
Thank you, Mercedes. Come hungry.